Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel Tutor Things. Today in this video we are going to see how to create a professional certificate in Canva. So you can just head over to canva.com www.canva.com. So now here I have downloaded the desktop version. So you can also do it in the mobile version and everything. So desktop version is there and mobile version is there in direct website you can access. Just go to the home page and you can just log in with your Gmail account. So that is also fine. If you are a user, then also you can create no need of any graphical designer knowledge kind of thing. So you can just go to here and just type for certificates. You can see certificates are of many types: certificate of appreciation, certificate of recognition, certificate of completion, or certificate of like gift certificate kinds of things also will be there. So certificate of appreciation, you will be heading you will be coming up with a heading of a certificate of appreciation. So Canva is a powerful tool which generally provides you the free templates. You can just select any template and you can rename that template accordingly, so that you will able to generate a certificates which are desired for you. So you can just edit the name who are the participants you are going to give the certificate, like Ravi Verma, like that. Here you can see this certificate is here. We'll having some text also based upon the certificate. They have already created you the description. So if you want to keep it the same, you can have it like that, or otherwise you can just change the description also there. Just editing. So that editing is nothing but not a big task, right? Normal people can also do. You can change the other name, uh, what the name of your CEO, like Vardhan Reddy. So he is think of Unlimited is the company. He is providing you this certificate of appreciation for this particular person. So only these few things you have to be edited there. Okay. So then you are done with editing. Then just go to share, and then you will finding different options to you can share it to WhatsApp or directly or like that. You can just print out with the Canva if you have a printer in your place, or just you can download this certificate in any format like PNG or JPG kind of thing. And you can also set the sizes and the quality of the image also you can set. Only these options will be available for pro versions. So Canva is having some pro version, Canva Pro. If you are using a free version, you are limited to some features itself. If you are using a pro version, you are having more features. So you can just download and just print out and give it to your participants. Okay. So this is one kind of certificates we can call it as. So otherwise you can have one more kind of thing, like as I said, as I told you, right? Certificates for of completion will also be there. You can also edit the colors whatever the you want. If it is a uh, you can change the entire color schema or anything you can change. You can, if you want to remove the elements, you can also remove them. So these all things you can do. For children's also you will having like specified particular for children kind of thing, like if you want certificate of participation for children's, those themes or those templates will also be available. You can just type like certificates for kids like that, or children, and certificates for kids. So based upon your requirement, like it's a certification of graduation or yeah, different kind of things you can have it different template. You can also generate a template by yourself, but just taking the idea which are present here. You can generate your own certificate, like you having some icons or like that, some headings and like that. If you have a graphic designer knowledge, you can also do that, or otherwise you're having tons of free templates here. You can just select one if you're yet to, like, if you have no time, you can just go to that. Or if you're if you know graphic designing kind of thing, or basic editing you want, you have experience on that, you can just create your own certificates for that. So that's all for today. So I want to just know that how can you can just create the certificates in just 1 minute using Canva. I want to show you in this tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If you have any doubts regarding this, let me know in the comment section. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.